So what is pronoun? The word which is used instead of noun is called pronoun. We can say that we replace noun with the pronoun. Like I was sitting for I am sorry, I was waiting for you. मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा था. They are all happy. If I write an essay about my father or my best friend or a teacher, then I will first in sentence I will use the name of the person, but in other sentences or in other lines I will use the pronoun. I will replace it with the noun. So kinds of pronoun, uh, let's have a look on it. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is used for the name of a person. Like these are personal pronouns: I, we, they, you, he, she, it. Okay. So if I, may, you, we, it, they, it. I have also categorized it in my previous videos that I is the first person, you is we is a first person, you is a second person, he, she, and it are the third person, and they is a also first person. So these are the personal pronouns. Possessive, it shows the possessiveness of these personal pronouns, and these are the objectives. We change it according to the sentences, then we use it. Okay, like for example, it is mine, ये मेरी है. So I change it into possessive case. And when I say I love her, so I am changing it into objective. Okay, after that we have demonstrative pronoun, the pronoun that is used to point out objects to which they refer is called demonstrative pronoun. Like these are all your faults, ये सारी तुम्हारी गलतियां हैं. This pen is better than that, कि ये पेन उस पेन से बेहतर है. So these that these kind of words we use to elaborate or to define that it is demonstrative pronoun. After that we have indefinite pronoun. Indefinite means question, asking question. These pronoun refer to person or a thing in a general way, not in particular. Therefore they is called indefinite pronoun. That is called indefinite pronoun because these are in general way we use, particularly, not in particular but in a general way. Like many of them are Muslim, इनमें से बहुत सारे मुस्लिम हैं. Many, the word is many is indefinite pronoun. Is in that accident few escaped unhurt. Few, थोड़े से, ठीक है. Pure some milk. After that we have distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun refer one person or a thing that is called distributive pronoun. Like each of them won a prize, ठीक है. Neither of the fact is authentic, कि इनमें से हकाइक में से कोई भी जो हकीकत है वो इन हकाइक में से कोई भी मुस्तंद नहीं है. Either of you can take it, तुम में से कोई भी ये ले जा सकता है. Refer one person or a thing at a time and are called distributive. Relative pronoun. The words that relates to refers to some nouns going before is called relative pronoun. You say what you really mean. The man who is truthful is trusted. यानी कि जो ट्रूथफुल है, सच्चा है, उस पर भरोसा किया जा सकता है. दिस इज़ द मैन हुज एक्सपीरियंस इज़ बेटर. रिलेट कर रहे हैं ना हम इसमें मैन को, ये लाइक द मैन हु इज़ ट्रूथफुल इज़ ट्रस्टेड, या दिस दैट इज़ द मैन, ये वो आदमी है हुज एक्सपीरियंस इज़ बेटर, जिसका एक्सपीरियंस बेटर है, अच्छा है. So that is called relative pronoun. After that we have reflexive pronoun. When an action done by subject turn back upon the subject, that is called reflexive pronoun. We have a lot of essays have made with these themselves, myself we use. That is called reflexive pronoun, that reflects the subject. What is the personal pronoun is used, and after that we use to reflect it. Like they will enjoy themselves, if there is they, and the reflexive pronoun is themselves. I shall go myself. We exerted ourselves. We reflexive pronoun is ourself. After that, empathetic pronoun is when compound personal pronouns are used for the sake of emphasize. They are called empathetic pronoun, such as he himself said so. These are personal reflexive pronoun, but in compound personal pronouns are used as well. You will get yourself in a lot of trouble. You cannot bring herself to do it. Interrogative pronouns are that in we can ask question. The word used at the beginning of question is called interrogative pronoun. What did you say? With whom were you talking? Who said so? Okay, so let's have to solve the MCQ. Like first example, you will see Rahim is as good as dash. I, my, me, mine. Personal pronouns. I. Rahim is as good as I. I was sitting by dash. Himself, themselves, myself, all of these. Myself. I's reflexive pronoun is myself. Is that clear now? Like there is the exercise about the correct kind of pronoun. Hina heard herself. The underlined pronoun is herself is what? Distributive, reflexive, empathetic, or indefinite. So right answer is reflexive. Herself is a reflexive pronoun. Nobody but we were present there. The underlined pronoun is reflexive, distributed, personal, and demonstrative. We, personal pronoun. One must not praise oneself. The underlined pronoun is oneself. So oneself is indefinite. That is the right answer. Here is the word that I wanted to buy. The underlined pronoun is here is the word that there is some relation. Distributed, reflexive, empathetic, or a relative. That is relative pronoun. Now we have preposition. What is preposition? Preposition are the word that tells the position of the noun. Where is something is, like the pencil is on the register. The pencil is on the register. On is a position. So on is a word that shows the position of the pencil. So that is what is where is the pencil? Pencil is in the hand of the teacher. In is also show the position. That is called preposition. So here are some examples of preposition. The cat is under the table. That the cat is on the table. After that we have kinds of prepositions. Simple prepositions are simple just like that. Some simple preposition are by, or, from, on, though. We use it in our daily routine as well. After that we have compound prepositions. These prepositions are formed by prefixing a preposition in an objective is a noun. There are like about, prefixing a preposition to an adjective, an adverb, or a noun, like about, between, above, across, along, among, around, before, beneath. These kinds of preposition are called compoundment, to join together things, like distribute candies among children. Beside this coat I have brought a pair of shoes. I have bought. Okay, after that we have phrase. What is phrase? Phrase is a group of words. So phrase preposition, group of words used as preposition, is known as phrase preposition. Like according to is a phrase, so it is called phrase preposition. There this she is ambitious of fame. Ambitious of is also phrase, because it is the group of words getting or giving us an idea to make a sentence. Okay, ambitious us. There are some examples of prepositional phrases like at the end of the story we come to know that he is the culprit, or means all the guests talked happily at the end of performance. These are phrase, prepositional phrase. By mistake, we choose the wrong way by mistake, and word lost. Okay, let's have a look on the exercise. Little Jack Honor said dash a corner. In, at, on, off. The right answer is on. I am always dash you through thick and thin. आई एम ऑलवेज विद यू। थ्रो, ठीक है, यानी कि मैं अच्छे और बुरे में तुम्हारे साथ दूंगा। डैश माई फाइंडिंग दिस मैटर कैन नॉट बी रिजॉल्व इजीली। डैश माई फाइंडिंग्स अकॉर्डिंग टू, owing to, with regard to, because of, according to. The right answer is according to. The secret should remain dash you and me. टू जब दो लोग हों तो उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं बिटवीन, और जब ज़्यादा हों तो उमंग। जैसे हमने पीछे पढ़ा था कि कैंडीज़ बच्चों में के दरमियान बांटी गई, तो अमंग। ओके, so here are just talk about two things, so we put here between preposition. So we have also identification. This table is made of steel. The underlined preposition is dash. Simple, compound, phrasal, none of these. Off is a simple. It is beyond my power. The underlined preposition is beyond. Beyond is a simple, compound, phrasal, or none of these. Yes, it is compound. It is not simple or not a phrasal. Stay away from bad boys and concentrate on your studies. The underlined preposition is away from. Away from. That is phrasal preposition. Is that clear now?